students, how are you all? Hope you are fine and safe with your family members in good health. What lesson we are learning, students? Yes, we are learning lesson 4, major landform. In previous class, what we learned? Can you remember? Yes, we learnt about plains and plateau in lesson flow. In today's class, we are going to learn deserts and rivers. Topics will be interesting, students, so kindly listen. Desert. This is the picture of desert. Usually, deserts will be in sand. Desert. Do you have any idea about desert? Deserts are small areas that receive very little rainfall. These areas have dry climate. Most deserts are located on the western side of the continents and on leeward side of the mountains. Usually, deserts will be in small areas. It receives very little rainfall. These areas have very dry climate. Mostly, deserts are located on the western side of the continents and on the leeward side of the mountains. Deserts mainly have very hot days and cold nights, very hot in day and very cold in the night. Frequent dust storm will appear because deserts usually have full of sands, so frequent dust storm will appear. Hills of sand called sand dunes. The sands will be in the mountain shape, so only it is called as hills of sand called sand dunes. Little vegetation due to less rainfall. Because of less rainfall, little vegetation can be harvested. Deserts usually have very hot days and cold nights, frequent dust storm, hills of sand called sand dunes, little vegetation due to less rainfall. Some examples of deserts are Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert in Africa, Great Sandy Desert and Great Victoria Desert in Australia, Thar Desert and the Arabian Desert in Asia, Atacama Desert and Patagonian Desert in South America. These are some examples of deserts. Now we can see the images of some of the deserts. This will be interesting. First is Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert looks like in the image. See the image? It is very beautiful. Next is Kalahari Desert. Can you see the image? This is Kalahari located. Where it is located? It is located in Africa. Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert is located in Africa. Next desert is Great Sandy Desert. This is the image of Great Sandy Desert. It is located in Australia. Next desert, Great Victoria Desert. Can you see? This is Great Victoria Desert. It is located in Australia. Great Sandy Desert and Victoria Desert is located in Australia. Next desert is Atacama Desert. This is the image of Atacama Desert. Where it is located? It is located in South America. Next is Patagonian Desert. Where it is located? It is located in South America. Atacama Desert and Patagonian Desert is located in South America. Can you understand about desert, students? Next we are going to learn about rivers. This is the image of rivers. Have you ever seen rivers? It's okay. Rivers are natural channels that carry rainwater or water from melted ice and snow from mountains to plains, lakes and seas. Here channel means it is a wide strait or waterway between two land masses that lie close to each other. That is called channel. Rivers are natural channels that carry rainwater or water from the melted ice and snow from mountains to plains, lakes and seas. They carry rainwater or water from the melted ice and from snow from mountains to plains, lakes and seas. These channels start as stream and join together to form a river. They start as a stream and join together to form a river. Usually, rivers passes through three stages: the upper or the younger course, the middle or the mature course, the lower or the old course. What are the three stages? The upper or the young course, the middle or the mature course, the lower or the old course. First we are going to learn about the upper or the young course. Most rivers originate in the mountains. Rivers mostly originate in the mountains only. The rivers cut a deep narrow channels in the mountain. The river cut a deep narrow channel in the mountain. Some features of the upper course are canyons, waterfalls and rapids. The upper course or the young course. Most rivers originate in the mountain. Rivers will originate only in the mountains. The rivers cut a deep narrow channels only in the mountains. Some features of canyons, waterfalls and rapids. Canyons. This is the image of canyons. Waterfall. Have you seen the waterfalls? Yes, the image is a waterfall. Next is rapids. This is an image of an rapids. Like this only rapids will look like. It is a form of river only. Next is the middle course or the mature course. The middle course of the river begins when it leaves the mountains and enters the plain. The middle course of the river begins when it enters the plain and leaves the mountains. In this stage, the speed of the water will decrease and the river will develop the loop called meanders. For example, River Ganga has a meandering course between Allahabad and Varanasi. The middle course of the river begins when it enters the plains. It leaves the mountain when it leaves the mountain and enters the plains. In this stage, the speed of the water decreases and the river develops the loop which called meanders. That is meanders. For example, river Ganga has a meandering course between Allahabad and Varanasi. Next is the lower or the old course. The rivers join a big water body such as sea. In the lower course, the rivers join a big water body such as sea. The river deposits the slits it carries near the mouth, forming a triangular shape called delta. The river deposits the slits it carries near the mouth. It forms a triangular shape called delta. It carries near the mouth, forming a triangular shape called delta. Delta. Can you see the image? Like this only delta will looks. The largest delta in the world is formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers before they join the Bay of Bengal. The largest delta in the world is formed by the river Ganga and the Brahmaputra river before they join in the Bay of Bengal. In this course, the speed of the river is very slow. In the lower or the old course, the speed of the river will be very slow. And the largest delta in the world is formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers before they join the Bay of Bengal. Can you understand the concept, students? Now, let's revise the book back exercise. Choose the correct answer. The natural features on earth is called option A seas, option B mountains, option C deserts, and option D is landform. Which is the correct answer? Yes, landform is the correct answer. The natural features on earth is called landforms. The Rockies lie in North America. The Rockies lie in North America. Third one is sand and silt deposited by rivers leads to the formation of option A mountains, option B plains, option C streams, option D bays. Which is the right answer? Yes, plains is the right answer. Sand and silt deposited by rivers leads to the formation of plains. Dust storms are common in dash. Option A mountains, option B deserts, option C plains, option D coastal areas. Which is the right answer? Yes, desert is the right answer. Dust storms are common in deserts. In the middle course of the river develops loops called dash. What will be the answer? Option A meanders, option B rapids, option C canyons, option D delta. Which is the right answer? Meanders is the right answer. In the middle course, the river develops loops called meanders. Next, we are going to learn about match the following. Plateau. The correct answer for plateau is tableland. Can you see? For desert, sand dunes. River, rapids. Can you see? I have marked 3. For plains, lowlands. Mountain, peak. The correct answer, I will repeat, for plateau, tableland, desert, sand dunes, river, rapids, plain, lowlands, mountain, peak. Can you understand, students? Now let's learn about the book back exercise of lesson 3. So you will be refreshed. We are going to learn choose the correct answer. The underlined word is incorrect. You have to write the correct word and match the following. Choose the correct answer. Nicholas Copernicus said that the world revolves around the sun. Nicholas Copernicus said that the world revolves around the sun. The movement of earth around the sun is called dash. What will be the answer? Option A, revolution. B, gravitation. B, revolution. Option D, season. Correct answer is revolution. The movement of earth around the sun is called revolution. The revolution of earth causes dash. Option A, days and nights. Option B, natural disasters. Option C, seasons. Option 4, thunder and lightning. The correct answer is seasons. The revolution of earth causes seasons. When it is summer in northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere attracts winter. The correct answer is winter. When it is summer in northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere attracts winter. Now we are going to learn the underlined word in each sentence is incorrect. We must write the correct word. The sun rotates from the west to the east. The sun rotates from the west to east. Is it right? No. Only the earth rotates from the east to west. The right answer is earth. Sun is the wrong answer. The sun rises in the west. Will sun rises in the west? No, it is wrong. The sun rises in the east. The revolution of the earth causes days and nights. Will revolution of the earth causes days and nights? No. Rotation of the earth causes only days and nights. The right answer is rotation. The orbit of the earth is circular. The orbit of the earth is circular. Is it right? No. The orbit of the earth is oval. When it is autumn in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. Is it right? No. When it is autumn in the northern hemisphere, it is the spring in the southern hemisphere. Can you see the underlined word? That is the right answer. Spring is the correct answer. When it is autumn in the northern hemisphere, it is spring in the southern hemisphere. Thank you, students. See you in next class.